Have you ever wondered why your computer or phone works the way it does? Or why some people love Mac while others swear by Windows or Linux? Today, we're breaking down the most popular operating systems in the world in simple language. Introduction. Operating systems, or OS for short, are what make our computers and smartphones actually work. Without them, your device is just a piece of metal and plastic. In this video, we'll compare different operating systems like Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, Chrome OS, and even some lesser known ones like Unix and BSD. Let's find out what makes each one unique and which one might be best for you. Windows, created by Microsoft, first launched in 1985, started as a simple interface on top of MS-DOS, now evolved into full versions like Windows 95, XP, 7, 10 and 11. Why it's popular? Runs on almost any PC, great for gaming, office work and programming. Advantages: user-friendly, widely compatible. Disadvantages: can slow down older computers, has annoying updates and is more vulnerable to viruses. macOS, made by Apple, released in 2001. Only runs on Apple computers like MacBooks and iMacs. Why people like it? Super smooth, stable, and great for creative work like video editing and music. macOS is a powerhouse for creativity and productivity. Its sleek interface and seamless integration with other Apple devices make multitasking a breeze. Plus, the security features are top-notch, keeping your data safe from threats. However, it's not all sunshine. The price tag can be steep, and software compatibility can be a hassle, especially for gamers. Plus, if you're used to Windows, the learning curve can be a bit steep. Overall, macOS shines for professionals and creatives, but it might not be the best fit for everyone. Advantages: seamless connection with iPhones and iPads, longer battery life, fewer crashes. Disadvantages: expensive hardware, limited gaming, and not all software is available. Linux, created by Linus Torvalds in 1991. Free and open source. Comes in many versions called distributions like Ubuntu and Fedora. Why it's special? Runs well on old or cheap hardware. Great for programmers and cybersecurity experts. Linux is a powerful operating system with various versions, each catering to different needs. One major advantage is its open source nature, allowing users to modify and customize it freely. It's also known for its stability and security, making it a favorite for servers. However, it can be challenging for beginners due to a steeper learning curve and limited software support compared to Windows or macOS. Despite this, the vibrant community and extensive documentation make it easier to overcome these hurdles. Overall, Linux offers flexibility and control, perfect for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Advantages: lightweight, secure, customizable. Disadvantages: hard for beginners, many apps and games don't work without extra setup. Chrome OS, developed by Google in 2011, found on Chromebooks. Mostly works through the internet and web apps. Why it's growing? Fast, affordable, great for schools and casual users. It is a lightweight operating system designed for speed and simplicity. One major advantage is its seamless integration with Google services, making tasks like document editing and cloud storage effortless. Plus, it boots up in seconds, perfect for on-the-go users. However, it does have its downsides. Limited offline capabilities can be a hassle, especially if you rely on specific software that isn't available on the platform. Additionally, while it's great for web-based tasks, heavy gaming or resource-intensive applications can struggle. Overall, Chrome OS shines for everyday tasks, but may not suit in everyone's needs. Advantages: boots quickly, automatic updates, secure, can run Android apps. Disadvantages: needs internet most of the time, can't run heavy software like Photoshop, not good for gaming or multitasking. Android, Google's mobile OS used by brands like Samsung and Xiaomi. Why people love it? Highly customizable, supports budget to premium phones. Android is a powerhouse in the mobile world, offering incredible flexibility and customization. You can personalize your device with countless apps and widgets, making it truly yours. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, from budget to high-end. However, it's not all perfect. Fragmentation can lead to inconsistent updates, and security can be a concern with so many apps available. Overall, Android is fantastic for those who love customization, but it requires a bit more vigilance when it comes to security and updates. Advantages: millions of apps, flexible design, lots of phone options. Disadvantages: not all phones get updates, can have unnecessary pre-installed apps, and sometimes slower than iOS. iOS, Apple's OS for iPhones and iPads. Why it's trusted? Stable, secure, long-lasting updates. It offers a seamless user experience with its intuitive interface and tight integration across devices. The App Store is packed with high-quality apps, ensuring you have everything at your fingertips. However, the closed ecosystem can be limiting. Customization options are minimal compared to Android. Plus, the price point for Apple devices can be steep. On the upside, regular updates keep your device secure and running smoothly, but those updates can sometimes feel intrusive. Overall, iOS is perfect for users who value simplicity and security, but it might not be the best fit for those who crave flexibility. Advantages: smooth performance, strong app quality, connects easily with other Apple devices. Disadvantages: less customizable, can't install apps from outside the App Store. Expensive, no SD card slot or headphone jack. Unix, one of the oldest OSs, developed in 1969. Who uses it? Big companies, banks, and science labs. Great for heavy computing. It is a powerful operating system that's known for its stability and flexibility. One major advantage is its multitasking capability, allowing multiple processes to run simultaneously without a hitch. It's also highly secure, making it a favorite for servers and enterprise environments. However, it can be challenging for beginners due to its command line interface, which isn't as user-friendly as other systems. Plus, software compatibility can be an issue, as many applications are designed for Windows or macOS. Overall, Unix is a robust choice for those who need reliability and control, but it might not be the best fit for casual users. Advantages: multitasking capability, high security. Disadvantages: very expensive and not meant for regular users. BSD, Berkeley Software Distribution, came from Unix, developed at UC Berkeley in the 1970s, where it's used behind the scenes in devices like PlayStation, Netflix servers, and firewalls. It is a powerful operating system that is known for its stability and security. One major advantage is its permissive licensing, allowing developers to use and modify the code freely. This has led to a rich ecosystem of tools and applications. However, it's not all sunshine. BSD can be less user-friendly than other systems, making it a challenge for newcomers. Plus, hardware compatibility can sometimes lag behind. Balancing these pros and cons, BSD remains a solid choice for those who prioritize performance and reliability over ease of use. Advantages: handles lots of work efficiently. Disadvantages: not designed for normal consumers. Did you know the blue screen of death has been around since Windows 1.0? Linux runs the servers of NASA, Facebook, and Google. Your PlayStation and Netflix might be powered by BSD. iPhones get software updates for 5+ years, something most Android phones don't. Chromebooks are now being used in millions of classrooms around the world. Conclusion: every operating system has its own strengths and weaknesses. Some are built for power users, while others focus on simplicity or affordability. The best one for you depends on what you need, whether it's gaming, creative work, security, or just browsing the internet. Which OS do you use and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech breakdown like this.